Wolverine Glass has been serving the glass needs of Michiganders since 1990. We are ready to satisfy your residential or commercial glass needs with a wide range of shower doors, mirrors, and custom glass selections. I'm going to take a minute to talk about a header pivot design. Not every bathroom layout allows the door to be hinged on the wall. Perhaps there is a vanity cabinet or toilet that would interfere with the door swinging if it was hinged off the wall. In these cases, the door might be better placed in the middle of the opening or flipped so that it's opening in the opposite direction. We must have a good, sturdy structure in any of these situations. In most cases, unless the glass is going all the way to the ceiling, the door cannot be hinged securely off of another piece of glass. One method that we can use to provide a sturdy structure is with a header and pivots. A header runs across the top of the glass. There will be two pivot hinges that are attached to the header and to the floor. This allows us to mount that door anywhere within the opening. With a frameless design, most customers look to minimize the amount of metal visible. There will always be some amount of metal present to hold the glass and the door in place. It's just a matter of where it's located. With a header and pivot design, that metal is located across the top of the glass. We will not have any metal running along the walls or the floor of the shower. You will still get that frameless shower door look, albeit in a slightly different manner. This might be one of the shower door layouts that we will recommend after reviewing the specifics of your project and the constraints within your space. Look for other videos in this series explaining the choices you can make in the process of designing and installing beautiful new glass and mirrors in your home. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on our website, wolverine.glass, or give us a call at 734-426-5600. You can visit our showroom from 8 to 4:30, Monday through Friday.